Hello everyone and welcome to eToro. Today I will discuss a situation in which one or more of your assets has disappeared from your portfolio. We've been getting many questions on this matter from users, so we're here to elaborate on why this could happen. It has to do with take profit and stop loss orders. Let's open a trade to see what those are. Go to any assets page and click the trade button. A pop-up will appear with various parameters you can change before opening a trade. Two of these parameters are the take profit and stop loss orders, which are required whenever opening a trade. Both of these could automatically close a trade. The stop loss is the minimum amount you would like to see back in your account in case the trade is unsuccessful and you lose some of your funds. Please note that on occasion, slippage could occur, meaning the defined stop loss could be skipped. In that case, the stop loss will trigger at the closest available point. The default stop loss is set to 50%. Therefore, if you lose 50% of your invested amount, the position will be closed and the remaining funds will be returned to your account. Please be aware that the default stop loss point for cryptocurrencies is 100% and for copy trading it is 60%. The take profit is the point at which you believe the position will peak and you wish to close it and collect your profits. The default is set to 50% of the original position or 500% for cryptocurrencies. There are two things both the stop loss and take profit have in common. First, they are both mandatory when opening a position, and second, they could both potentially close a trade automatically. Therefore, if an open position you had has disappeared from your portfolio, it was most likely closed by either the stop loss or take profit being triggered. If you go to your portfolio and click on an open position, you can see your stop loss and take profit for that position. If you wish to check whether you have had any positions closed automatically, go to your portfolio history. As you can see, some of the positions have been closed after a take profit or stop loss have been triggered. Positions that were closed due to a stop loss being triggered will have a red SL icon next to them. Those with a green TP next to them were closed due to a take profit being triggered. That's it for now. You now know what to look for if you think an open position was closed automatically. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Happy trading!